helikopter. Det er en rigtig svær manøvre. Ja, nu er den i gang.
And these cockpits are very different than the skydivers use.
Yes, and now he's going in sat, and he's going to come for landing, I think. No, another wild maneuver. Helicopter again. And now he's coming for landing here, I think.
An incredible display. Who we got there? Is it Rognøy? What is his name?
Yeah, Paul. He's from
Well, here he comes now. Incredible to see the flight characteristics, Irish, very different to what we use.
Very, very different. That was scaring me. That was incredible. Let's see how it's landing, because he's going to get a lot more distance than the skydivers will. But it's a different wing.
Okay, we can say ground spiral. Ground spiral. Ground spiral. Okay, here for a full stall. Wow.
Oh. All right, these things can stay in the air forever. Come on, let's get our clapping and cheering going again. Yes! Yeah, you can hear you! Louder, louder! You can hear you, ladies and gentlemen! Go get him, McDowell, as soon as he's down. Go get him. Oh, wow, yeah!
Han trækker omkring 6 G nu. Så fik han lige en kongres. Han prøver lige. Yep, det kommer ud igen. En Mike Chris. En rigtig svær manøvre. Nu går han i helikopter.
Can we get a big round of applause for the solo Acro?
Og Infinity i meget lav højde. Han er kun i 200 meter højde nu. Og han flyver lige præcis over glideren. Det er en rigtig svær manøvre.
Incredible how he keeps those turns going, keeping tension on the line.
København, han kan høre jer! Hils på ham!
As a skydiver, Irish, it looks like he's not even going to make it back here, but it's so different flights.
As a skydiver, I was trying to make everyone look away. I didn't think he was going to make it here. But easily, these guys are the best. Emil, Selin, mine damer og herrer!
Infinity igen. Han trækker cirka 6 G nu. Det vil sige, at han vejer cirka 400 kilo.
It's a beautiful evening and afternoon here as the sun slips down the sky. Acro paragliding for us with our good commentators. What's your name again, my friend? What's your name?
My name is Essie.
Are you a pilot as well?
Yeah.
Are you better than these guys?
No. They are very good.
Look at this, incredible.
That absolutely scares me so much. That is insane. For a skydiver, that's the worst situation you could ever be in.
You don't want to be tumbling around up inside your canopy, but it's keeping tension on those lines.
Yeah, it looks like he's keeping the parachute inflated, which is the main thing, because if you don't have a parachute, you're not flying. But for me, that's incredible. I absolutely love that.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's start with the noise one more time. They can hear you. Let's hear you clapping, cheering, and bringing.
Full stall in very low height. Oh, it's just making for landing.
Okay. He's still going to land. How hard is the question? Here we go now, winding it round to the crowd. Let's get it.
And let's give them a cheer, because they will be able to hear us. Give it up for Alter Ego!
They were walking down by the lake earlier, deciding how they were going to do this approach. They are where they want to be. They're just getting to the right part of the sky now to start this turn into the brakes. Now accelerating, powering down through the harness with a left 450-degree turn. Nick, Jeannie, and Kurt, here they come. Let's go wild.
Give it up for Alter Ego!
Wow, incredible. Jeannie open, just one, and here comes the second one. Noah and Petter deploy their parachutes, leaving Junior Chris Stewart to continue their flight. How amazing was that? Incredible.
I can't believe I watched that live on TV while watching it from the ground. This is the world's first for you guys. Yeah. I don't know if you know this, but this has never been done before. It's going to be incredible to watch them in.
So keep watching the screen. I know he's got a bit of fogging in the lens right now. That'll clear in a minute. I'm sure it will as he begins his turn.
So these guys are carrying weight, so they're going to be coming in a lot faster than the other guys. So please do not get in the way of the swoopers. Please give it up for David Jr. Ludwig and Chris Stewart!
Here they come now, pulling out of the dive, smoke trailing behind with Junior. Chris Stewart slurring out from there. Junior following behind with the camera. Big high fives, Irish. Give me the initial reaction.
1 second, he's getting the smoke off. Junior, how was it up there?
Oh, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous up top.
How does Copenhagen look up there? We did have a bit of trouble with the cloud. How much interference was it for you on that jump?
It was a little bit, but we made sure we were safe. We could see the exact line that we wanted to come in on. And yeah, it was beautiful up there.
Awesome, man. You're going to be handing over the ring for the swimmers. Here comes Noah.
Here goes Noah. On his biggest canopy is Saber 2, right into the centre of the red carpet. Well, Bouncing. Welcome back, my friend.